If you are wondering if it is possible to connect Google Pixel 11 to a car, then the answer is yes. We do have an app that is called Android Auto on this phone, which is used exactly for that. So in order to find it, you just have to go to Settings, and then go to Connected Devices, choose Connection Preferences, and then here at the bottom you should be able to find Android Auto. Of course, we can find a bunch of different settings, but you probably just want to go to Connect a Vehicle to begin the setup. And the setup is very simple. You just have to use a USB cable and connect your phone to your car, if, of course, your car has a USB port. And if your car supports wireless connections, then we can choose Connect using Wireless Android Auto. Over here, you will find additional instructions that you can try to follow, but you can also tap on Connect using Bluetooth over here, and then we have Pair a Vehicle button. You will jump back to Connected Devices, where we can go to Pair New Device now. And then here we have the list of available devices, and your car is going to be probably listed over here, so you can select it and connect your phone to your car. Leave a like and subscribe.